Hi everyone and welcome back to HomeHeadChef. Today we're going to be making a honey balsamic glaze. Now this is a spin on the classic balsamic glaze. We're going to be loading it with honey instead of sugar. We're going to have minced garlic in it and some rosemary. It's really simple to make, but if you're interested in a simple balsamic glaze, I have a recipe for that. I'll have it down in the description, so let's step up to the cutting board and see what we need. For this recipe, we are going to need 1.5 cups of balsamic vinegar. I recommend using a high quality balsamic vinegar. We're also going to need 1.5 tablespoons of honey, 3 cloves of garlic minced, and 1/8 of a teaspoon of rosemary. We're going to start by heating up a small saucepan over medium-low heat. We're going to add in our balsamic vinegar and our honey. We're going to bring this up to a simmer. Alright, that's perfect. That's right where we want it. Now we're going to turn our heat down to a medium-low, more so on the low side. We're going to add in our garlic and our rosemary, and we're going to let this reduce for about 30 to 40 minutes or until it's the consistency that you like. Now it's been about 40 minutes, and I can tell by looking at this that this is going to turn out to be the consistency that I like. We want to pull it off the heat before it gets too thick because it's going to thicken as it cools. But we just want it to coat the back of a spoon, just like that. Now, we want to transfer this into an airtight container and let it finish cooling. All right, let's get a taste. Just a little bit. This stuff is very potent. Wow. It's got a beautiful sweetness from the honey. Nice tang from the balsamic reduction. You get hints of the garlic and the rosemary. This is a fantastic balsamic glaze. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. If so, hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. I also have an outdoor channel if you're interested in that. I'll drop a link for that in the description. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.